Hi, today we're going to talk about how to know when your pan and your oil are hot enough to start cooking. Heating up a pan and heating up your oil is all about patience. If your pan and your oil are not hot enough, you're not going to get a good sear on your food, you're not going to get the color you're looking for. You really want to give your pan a sufficient amount of time to get hot. One of the best ways to test if your pan is hot enough is with a few droplets of water. So if you add a little bit of water and your pan's not ready, nothing will happen. You won't see it do anything and you won't hear it do anything. When it's almost ready, the water will sizzle and spurt a little bit, but it'll all stay concentrated in one area. When your pan is perfectly hot, the water will immediately burst into a few small bubbles that will sort of scatter around the pan. But if your pan gets too hot, you'll notice that the water will turn into a multitude of bubbles that kind of go everywhere. And that means you need to turn your heat down. Let's take a closer look. Heating your oil to the proper temperature is crucial for the outcome of your food and how it tastes and looks. That being said, it's really important to know how to test if your oil is hot enough. So after you add your oil, if you heat it over medium heat, you can kind of tilt your pan around. You'll know it's ready when you'll see it shimmering. If it's not shimmering at all, your oil's not hot enough. If it starts to smoke, you've gone too far. In addition to watching for the shimmer, you really want to just listen as your food hits the pan. If your oil's not hot enough and you add something in, you won't hear anything at all. And at that point, just take it out. Don't move forward. It's not too late. Just take it out. Continue heating your oil until it's ready. If your oil's hot enough and you're cooking a protein like chicken or salmon, know you have the right temperature when you go to flip your food and you can slide a spatula right underneath and it's not sticking. If you do that and your food is sticking, let it continue to cook until you can easily release it. If you're sauteing vegetables, just add a little piece and see the noise it makes. Watch how it responds to the oil. And that way it's sort of a test run before you go ahead and add everything to the pan. Now that you know how to tell when your pan and your oil are hot enough, you'll be able to make more beautiful and more delicious tasting food.